What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about free traffic affiliate marketing strategies. So let me show you quickly some of my results by promoting other people's products. I'm an affiliate for this product, Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, and these are my unpaid earnings. I have $75, so this company pays 40% commission, and I'm going to show you the strategies that I utilize to drive customers to my sales funnel. So basically, guys, my main traffic source is YouTube, although I have a TikTok account, I have an Instagram account, and also I have put my link of my sales funnel in my Facebook page. My main traffic source that is helping me to make commissions with affiliate marketing is YouTube, and I'm going to show you my actual strategy that I use to drive customers. So basically what I do is that I go to Google Trends and I search for the keyword that I want to rank on YouTube. So in this case it's affiliate marketing, and then I choose here YouTube search, and then I scroll down to find the related queries. And check this out. So the first one is ClickBank affiliate marketing tutorial. This one has a breakout. The second one is free traffic for affiliate marketing, and it also has a breakout as well. So basically that is why I'm recording and utilizing this keyword on my title, because free traffic for affiliate marketing has a breakout. And then what I do is that I go to YouTube and search for ideas. For example, free traffic for affiliate marketing. So I'm going to write free traffic for affiliate marketing. So check this out. Google is going to give me all of these results. And what I can do here to have more traction, basically I use the software, the name is TubeBuddy, and this is going to help me to check if the keyword that I'm going to utilize is going to help my YouTube channel grow faster. So check this out. So right now it's loading, so I'm going to click here for the weighted score, because I want to know if this keyword is good for my YouTube channel. So basically TubeBuddy tells me the overall score for this keyword. So this is called a search engine optimization analysis. So basically what I'm doing here is that I'm checking if this keyword is going to help my YouTube channel. So if I use this keyword alone, this one is poor for my YouTube channel. So check this out. Here I have the weighted score. So to use TubeBuddy and to check the weighted score, you need to have the paid version. So if you have the free version, you are only able to see the unweighted score. So unweighted, so check this out. It's to target for weighted. So weighted score is to target for your specific channel, and unweighted is for how good this keyword is to target based on search volume and competition. But if you want to have like a better score so you can grow your YouTube channel faster, it's better to have the weighted score. So check this out. Here I can play with this keyword. So for example, free traffic for affiliate marketing for 2024. So let's see if I can increase the overall score. So TubeBuddy is telling me like a lot of stuff. For example, what is the competition of this keyword, the optimization strength, the weighted competition, the search volume. For example, the search volume for this keyword is very good, the weighted competition is poor, and the optimization strength is excellent. So here I can add, for example, for free traffic for affiliate marketing 2024 for beginners. So if I can find, for example, a keyword that has a better overall score, for example, better than 50, I'm going to have a high probability that YouTube is going to share my YouTube video with more people. So basically this is my main traffic source, guys. So for in case that you want to like, if you need like more traffic to your social media channels. For example, Jonathan Montoya is doing right now a traffic challenge. So it started yesterday, June 3rd, and what we're doing is that we're creating content on all of our social media channels. For example, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. So we're doing videos between 5 and 10-second short videos, and also we can do like long form videos or lives if we want. So basically we are like helping each other. For example, I'm subscribing to other people that is inside of Jonathan Montoya's Facebook group channel, that they are doing this traffic challenge, and also those people are subscribing to my channels and they are liking my content. I'm liking their content as well. And so basically that is how we are growing all channels. So you can utilize TikTok, Instagram if you want, Facebook, YouTube. You can create long form video, short form video, any content of video that you want. So remember that it's important to have your, for example, if you're going to utilize Instagram and TikTok, it's important to have the link of your sales funnel on your bio. So let me show you quickly one of the funnels that I'm utilizing to collect leads. And for doing that, I'm using Funnel Free on Data.io. So basically this is a software for any online business that wants, for example, to store their contacts, use it for conversations, payment, marketing, build automation workflows, build funnels or sites, create membership sites, and all that good stuff. So this is a funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And basically what I'm doing is that I'm not driving traffic to my affiliate links. So instead of driving traffic to these links, what I do is that I drive traffic to this funnel. So I'm going to click here so you can check it out. So this is the opt-in page, which basically is helping me to collect the information of the prospect, which is the name and the email address. So I drive traffic to this page, and so when people go here and click this button where it says take the free course, check this out, they can write their name, their email, and their phone number if they want. So one of the most important things you need to know if you want to people to write their information is that you need to give something away for free. So that is called the lead magnet. So the lead magnet for this funnel is a free course that Jonathan Montoya created for his affiliates. So let me show you. I'm going to go to the members area model. So these are the funnel steps. So it has two steps. The step number one is the free course opt-in page, and the step number two is the bridge page. So once people opting in their information, they will receive through email this free course, which has 7 lessons. And so when people go to this course, for example, the first lesson is the course introduction, and when they scroll down, check this out. Here I have these buttons. For example, join the 72-hour freedom challenge, and then click here to watch the next lesson. So when people click this button, join the 72-hour freedom challenge, people will be clicking my affiliate links. And basically that is how I'm promoting products, guys, by giving away this free course, because when people click the buttons inside of this free course, they will be clicking my affiliate links. So check this out here. This is for a software. The name is repurpose.io, Udemy. So these are products. Check out Freedom Accelerator. So these are products. And when people click these buttons, So this goes to my affiliate links. For example, here we have another button for Freedom Accelerator. So let's go to part number 7. So you can see that we have these buttons through all this course. So this is for Funnel Freedom, the software that I'm utilizing. And we have here another button for Freedom Accelerator. So basically what I'm doing is that I'm giving away this free course, and when people go through all the lessons and they click these buttons, people will be clicking my affiliate links. And if they buy any of the products inside of this free course, I can make a commission by promoting other people's products. So, but more importantly, guys, I have collected the email, because that is one of the most important things we need to do to grow our affiliate business, because basically the more emails we collect, the more money we can make. But we need to have as well good copywriting skills. For example, we need to write good emails for our subscribers, and not only emails for promoting product number 1, product number 2, 3, 4. We need to write emails as well to give valuable information to our email list. So as you can see, guys, it takes time and effort to do this affiliate marketing thing. So it takes time because it's important, first of all, promote products that you know that are going to help people. And then we need to find as well supporting offers. We need to write the emails. We need to build a funnel, a sales funnel. We need to build the lead magnet. And then once we have this 24/7 system set up or ready to work, we need to drive customers to it. And that is when the traffic part begins. And basically, it's like create content like every single day, guys. So I have created like a lot of content on my YouTube channel. So I have many YouTube channels. I have an Spanish YouTube channel and an English. So as you may notice, I'm not an English speaker, but it doesn't matter. So I'm growing this channel slowly but surely. I have recorded 1,200 videos at this moment. And check this out. Here I have my link of my sales funnel. So when people go to my channel and click this link, so people will be clicking my link of my sales funnel. And if they put their information, I can collect that information. And Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails automatically to promote multiple products. So that is the last thing that I want to show you in this training, guys. The products that I promote with Funnel Freedom. So I bought this software because it has integrated inside the 7 figures done for you system that basically anyone can copy and paste. But it takes time, guys. So, and I want to be clear that if you want to start with affiliate marketing, it takes time to start getting results. When I started in 2017, it took me basically 1 year to get my first commission. And I did that commission because I was uploading video. I was uploading 1 video per day until 1 year. So check this out. These are the products that I promote. The 72-hour challenge, Free Accelerator. And so right now I'm in this page, Funnel Freedom. And here I have all my affiliate links for all of these products. Secret of Success, System.io, and if I scroll down, Get Response, Udemy. So basically I have here all my affiliate links. And so when people opting in their information inside of the sales funnel that I just showed it to you, Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails to promote all of those products. So if you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.